It's time now for a check-in on the weather. Meteorologist Josh Nichols is tracking your 7 weather forecast as we wrap up September, Josh.
Emily was on the edge, and western New York is on the edge of Ian. And that's why we've had all that high cloudiness here throughout the course of, especially the latter part of the day. Also allowed for that beautiful sunset. Made it up to 63 in Buffalo today after dropping to 39 this morning. By the way, that low temperature represents some of the coolest air of the season. In fact, the coolest we've seen since early May. And by the way, it is, after all, the last day of September, so I thought I'd bring you up to speed. We had 4.3 inches of rain for the month. That was actually not that far away from normal. And the average temperature, when we record the statistics for today, will end up being right on par for what you'd expect for the month. Hour by hour we go here for your Saturday. Don't expect much in the way of sun. Do expect plenty of clouds. Do expect a cool northeasterly breeze, but temperatures will make their way into the low 60s. Not that far off from what you'd find this time of year. Should be a little bit cooler into the western and central southern tier where the cloud deck is heavier. Why is that cloud deck heavier? Because of Ian, which, by the way, as I mentioned earlier, is no longer a tropical system. See this comma shape to the rain and the cloud? That's indicative of it going into a more cold core system, and what they call extratropical is it loses its tropical features because the fuel of the ocean water is no longer in play because the storm is now over land. Still, though, formidable in terms of delivering some strong wind gusts at times inland, 50-mile-an-hour winds at their max, but it'll just weaken to just a plain old-fashioned area of low pressure that will try to make its way off the coast by the end of the weekend. But really, it's now just going down in the history books. Only 4 other hurricanes making landfall were stronger in terms of wind speed than Ian since tropical records began. 51 degrees in Buffalo right now. Easterly breezes are blowing. And by the way, those east and northeasterly winds, they'll start to freshen a little bit more on Sunday as what is left of Ian makes a little bit more of a pass to the north, closer to the high that's just to our northwest, and that tightens the pressure gradient. That's what's responsible for the wind. The cloud deck thickening right now as we speak. It continues to thicken as we go into tomorrow. Would I be shocked if there was a spot of light rain down here towards Bradford and maybe McKean and Potter counties? I wouldn't be. But it's really more the exception rather than the rule. I wouldn't cancel any plans. I do think Buffalo stays dry. In fact, by Sunday, with dry air coming in from the north, we will at least see some breaks of sunshine developing. But tonight, the clouds continue their increase. The breeze continues out of the east. The low 45 in the metro, upper 30s, western southern tier. Mostly cloudy, cool tomorrow. We're at 62 in Buffalo. But again, near the heavier cloud shield, Salamanca, you're at 55 for a high. There's that super 7-day forecast. Again, brighter but cool for Sunday. So the price we pay for a little bit more sun is that dry air and the cooler breeze, 58. Monday, we will find sunshine, a chilly start, maybe a little patchy frost, excuse me, into our southern valleys. We're at 61, a little bit milder for the middle of the week, and then the next cold front comes through on Thursday with showers and chilly breezes. By this time on Friday, we will be reaching for the heavier coat with a top temp of only 50 Friday afternoon.
We've got that fall weather coming in. We've got the start of October tomorrow. Kind of a fresh start there.
All the fall feels.
Not too bad. And I know the Bills are looking for a fresh start this weekend.
Yeah, that injury list you mentioned up at the top of the show, Taylor, it's pretty long.